Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do unboxing and installation of one of the most important accessories for motorbikes. This is a Bobo cloth grip aluminum bike phone holder which comes with a fast 3.0 charger. So let's quickly unbox this. Okay, so let's open this one. So this is some double-sided tape and a metal buckle for bike handlebar. These are some spacers, a Allen key, this is a rear view mirror mount especially for scooters. This is the main unit. It looks very rugged and the build quality is very premium. This is a on-off switch. And this is a USB port with a dust cap. Overall the build quality looks very sturdy. It is all made of aluminium. You can unscrew this to open the claws. The wire length is also pretty good. I think it's around 1.5 meters. This is the spare fuse. So that's it in the box. So this is my older phone holder. The problem with this one is over the time, due to the vibration, this ball gets damaged because of this metal mount, and also the knob which is used for tightening got broken due to the corrosion. So I will be removing it out first. Okay, so I have removed my previous phone holder and I think this space is perfect for the new one to install. So this is the metal buckle which we have seen earlier. So you can see this one is pretty loose on my handlebar. So for that we have spacers which we'll use between the buckle and the handlebar. So also we have two different sizes of spacers which is provided. One is 25 mm dia and other one is a 22 mm dia. So I think 22 mm dia is a perfect fit on my bike. Okay, so I'm just tightening it for time being. Okay, you can see this, the metal buckle is now fit on the handlebar, and now I'm going to mount the main unit on this metal buckle. So you have to just remove this nut, and you can see this thing will fit on the metal ball of the buckle. First you have to insert the nut and you have to push it hard on the buckle. So this is pretty tough. You have to apply some force on it. Now you can see that the main unit is mounted on this. You have to just tighten the nut. Okay, so now the time is to route the wire from main unit to the battery. So the wire will go along the left hand side of the bike. So I have taken the wire which is just beside the suspension bars, and through the side panels from the frames till the battery. And we can connect easily both the wires to the battery terminal, but I am going to connect the positive wire to the connection coming from the master switch. So the reason behind is because when we connect directly to the battery, so there is always power supply in the phone holder, so sometimes maybe accidentally it can drain your battery. So I'm going to take the connection from the main ignition switch wire, so that whenever I switch off the main switch, so there shouldn't be any power in the phone holder. So for this you have to do some little bit extra work. So the positive end of wire has connected from this switch and it is routed through the battery, and I have used some insulation tape, and the negative terminal is connected to the negative wire, and I have used some tie wraps on the frame. The wire is routed just below the fuel tank, underneath the side panels, through the handlebar. Just make sure that there is some slackness in the wire, so that whenever you turn the handle in any direction, there should not be any kind of force on the wire. So now let's check it if it's functioning properly or not. So you can see this on off switch, so I am putting it on. You can see the LED light which indicates that the power is coming to the phone holder. Now switching it off, and also the main ignition switch is off, and when I switch it on the phone holder, there is no LED light. That means there is no power supply to the phone holder when the ignition switch is in the off position. So when I put it in the on position, there is again the LED light. So the connection part is completed and it's functioning as desired. So now we'll just make some final adjustment of the main unit. So I have finalized the installation, and this is how it looks after the completion, and you can set the angle as per your preference. This is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching.